mind, they see me, they in G.
Hello. Welcome to AI Factory, Google's new video generation tool launches at Google I/O 2026. A new era of cross-media creation, controllable editing, and world building. At the 2026 Google I/O keynote, Google officially unveiled its next-generation video generation technology, a completely new direction compared to Seedance 2.0, and a major leap toward fully multimodal creative intelligence. According to Google's official announcements and detailed reports from TechCrunch, the new system is built on Gemini Omni, a model capable of understanding and generating across text, images, audio, and video. 1. Cross-media creation. Create anything from any input. Gemini Omni introduces true multimodal reasoning. It doesn't simply stitch inputs together, it understands them. Users can combine text plus images, audio plus video, sketches plus narration, or any other combination, and Omni will generate a coherent, high-quality video that reflects physics, culture, history, and visual logic. Google describes this capability as create anything from any input. 2. Highly controllable editing, natural language precision. One of the most impressive demonstrations at I/O was Omni's editing power. Users can modify videos with simple natural language commands, replace characters seamlessly, adjust local details, change artistic style, switch environments, alter camera angles, maintain consistent lighting, physics, and motion. TechCrunch notes that Omni's editing capabilities come from deep world understanding, not superficial filters. 3. World building, Google's most ambitious vision yet. Google used a bold phrase during the keynote, world building. This new system can generate complex, dynamic environments, physically consistent scenes, multi-scene narratives, long-form continuous shots, characters that interact logically. According to Google, this represents a shift from predicting text to simulating reality, a major milestone in world model AI. This launch signals Google stepping into a leadership position in AI video. Multimodal AI evolving from generation to reasoning plus control, the beginning of the agentic era of creative tools. Dramatically lower barriers for creators, filmmakers, educators, and marketers. The future of video creation is no longer about editing timelines. It's about collaborating with an intelligent creative partner.